All right, so we are going to measure some angles. So every time that you measure an angle, you should be asking yourself these three questions. Is the angle acute, right, or obtuse? Then look at the angle measurement, and then ask yourself if the number makes sense. So the first thing that we need to do is ask ourselves, is it acute, right, or obtuse? So an acute angle means that our angle is less than 90 degrees. So it can go over to the left or it can go over to the right, but either of those would be acute. Our angle looks like this. So this angle is definitely an obtuse angle. So we're going to circle that first. So because it's an acute or an obtuse angle, we know that it has to be greater than 90 degrees. Second thing we're going to do is look at the angle measurement. When we measure an angle, what you need to do is you need to first make sure that one of the lines is straight across the bottom. And then we're going to look at where the second line goes. So we can see that this line falls on 150 and 30. So it's either going to be 150 or 30 degrees. Now, in the last step, we already determined that this is an obtuse angle. So obtuse angle we know is greater than 90 degrees. And of our two options, 150 is greater. 30 degrees is less than 90 degrees, so it can't be that one. So we're going to look at the angle measurement, and we decided that it was 150 degrees. And our last step says, does your number make sense? So we determined that this is an obtuse angle, and it was 150 degrees. And 150 degrees is an obtuse angle, so we know that we must be correct.